Hello, Stu and Tribe team. I want to thank you and the whole Tribe community for helping to switch this mindset. I've been a business owner for many, many years, and I often self-sabotage. I get to a certain point and then I give up and then I beat myself up. Tribe has helped me have so many breakthroughs. The community has been wonderful, above and beyond any course in business that I have ever taken. And I am in my 50s, so I've taken a few. I really want to thank you. I've got my founders already and members signing up, and it's not coming together as perfectly as I think it should, and yet that's okay. I can lean into the community and they can continue to help me, and I can give back to them. Thank you so much for helping me to not self-sabotage, to have breakthroughs, and to give to an amazing community of members that I can really help. Thank you.